Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you an unboxing of this 1/24th scale Maisto Ford Explorer. So this was a model that was made in the 1990s by Maisto, the diecast car manufacturer. And I got this model from eBay. Ooh, that's a wonderful noise. eBay for $20. Including tax and shipping and all that good stuff, which I think is a really good price for one of these Ford Explorers, considering these models are getting more expensive and harder to find as well. And $20 is a really good deal. Now, there was some damage, and to be honest, I don't know how bad it truly is. You know, the pictures weren't great, so it's going to be your first time and kind of my first time too also seeing it, because I'm just not sure how it's going to be. Shipping was pretty fast and looks like pretty well packaged as well. It's the Eddie Bauer edition, which would have been the highest trim for the Explorer at the time. Now Eddie Bauer is, I think an outdoors company that makes clothing. Very nice wrapping, actually. Usually some people will just, throw these model in a box and call it good and send it to the UPS store. But there's the some that actually do care about how it does arrive, and it's always nice when those people are the people you're buying from. A little bit of a peek right there. Okay, she is not perfect. Let's get all this packing paper out of here and turn it over. So copyright date is 1993, so that usually corresponds with what year the model was actually made or produced specifically. And this is a model of the 1992 Ford Explorer. So, there you go. Cross your fingers, cross your fingers. Well, it's as yellow as the banana, I guess. A banana. It's been yellowed, as you can see. Honestly, it might be worse in person than on camera. It also looks like it's been covered in dirt for the past 25 years, so not perfect. But I think we're going to be able to save this one. Do you mind? Okay, thank you. Anyway, okay, he's going to continue. Oh my gosh. He's an elderly old man. But anyway, back to the car. If you can ignore that chihuahua, you can see it's rough. It's pretty rough. I'm not going to even lie about it. It's pretty rough. Some of the times these models were underscaled slightly due to the size of the real vehicle, but in this case it's not. It's his true 1/24 scale. But anyway, you can tell straps are not on it. It's been cracked, it looks like, and boy, that thing is dirty in there. A little back look. He is senile. Okay. Anyway, we'll get this thing out of its box, which looks like... Oh my gosh. This is probably one of the dirtiest models I've ever gotten. Let's see about this one. Holy moly. Yeah, let's see. I thought the box was bad. Hold on. Let me get my stand, so I can kind of sail down for you. Gotta figure out what the best way to get this thing out of the box is. Like so. My gosh. Yes. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. This is one of the dustiest models I have ever gotten. Jeez Louise. But yeah, hold on. Do you mind? Stop! Stop it! Make a video here. Holy moly. Anyway, back to this thing. Jeez Louise, look at this. Hopefully you can tell on camera, maybe. Look at that. That is insane. Opening doors. Doesn't look like it's been ever played with. But boy, oh boy, does this thing look rough. I mean, everything's here. Box is kind of here. Honestly, a cleaning will make a world of a difference, but geez Louise. So it looks like we have a project on our hands. I think this one deserves a restoration video. This one does deserve one, I think. So well, you'll be seeing an extra couple videos on this model, including cleaning it and fixing the box. Anything else I might find. And, well, yeah, so that's in the future. But also another cool feature is you can kind of see that rear seat's partially up. So not only do the seats in the front kind of move, you put that seat forward, and you see, there you go, and then you put the front of the seat down, and there you go. You have a rear folding seat. That's a cool feature. Maisto was doing a lot of small little things back in the day like that. Workable features. Nowadays they're not doing as much of that anymore, but looks like you have plastic tires, plastic wheels, but they are branded, so that's kind of makes up for that. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Is that... no, that can't be rust. What is that? I mean, you can just tell by me zooming in. Look at the paint on it. Look at that. Yeah, this might be one of the dirtiest... well, that Ford Fairlane that I picked up, that was 1/18 scale, was pretty bad, but this one is, it's close. I'd say just below it, because the interior on that Ford was really bad. But still insane for something like this. But tells you what something can look like after nearly 30 years if you maintain it properly or if you don't. It's really pretty insane. Well, anyway, guys, this will not be the last time you will see this Ford Explorer, thanks to the beautiful condition it's in. I'm still glad I got it. I'll say that, 100%. For $20, that's good. You know, obviously for me, I can bring this model back pretty well. I won't get it back to 100%, but I'll get it back pretty, you know, good enough. It'll be presentable, but you'll see videos on this thing later in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you guys so much for watching, and GP out.